Hey everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you again today for another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today I'm in South Phoenix area in actually Goodyear, Arizona, and I got this guy, this really cool cat named John. He's got this beautiful 1969 Dodge Dart, and so let's see if he's home. I know I confirmed it and scheduled it, and we have the right time here, so I like it when a plan comes together. Here we go. Cool Hand Luke, man. What's up there, Big Daddy? How's everything?
Doing great.
Good, man. John, thanks a lot for the opportunity to come out here and video this awesome Dodge Dart you have here.
Absolutely.
So briefly, what year is it?
It's a 69
Okay.
Dodge Dart.
Dodge Dart, and I saw earlier it had an engine about the size of a house in there. Briefly, what size of the engine is it?
It's a 520. It's a 520 cubic inch, and it's about 765 horse.
765 horse. So, real quick question: are you going to be able to take this bad devil for a ride?
Yes, sir.
I like when that happens, man. All right, stick around for more. Only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. So, John, you said this engine is what size again?
520 cubic inch.
I'll be damned. This is it right here.
This
of course.
is it.
This is just incredible. Look, I mean, this is huge, man. Did you get it in here with a shoehorn?
Pretty much.
Because you can see where the headers are coming really close to the inner fender well right there, right?
Right. It's really fun doing spark plugs on that passenger side.
Oh, yes. Well, you see you have access to one, maybe two. Do you have to like kind of jack it up? And
You have to crawl underneath the car and stick your hand up underneath there, and it's
man. So talk to me about this engine here. 520 cubic inches, but did you buy it like this?
I bought it like this. Yeah.
Okay.
I bought it out of Ohio. It's a full roller motor, and it's stroke 440, and that's pretty much all I really know about it. It's a stroke 440.
Okay.
And the guy told me it's a 990, an X990 index race car that he put on the street.
So what does that mean? A lot of people don't know what that means. And I kind of sort of do, but what does that mean? X990.
It means that this is a drag car that runs a 990 in the quarter mile.
Okay.
And he just put it on the street. So
okay.
It's an old race car, but he turned it into sort of a show car.
That's cool.
It's the same setup, same everything.
Really?
So it's a pretty quick car.
Yeah, well, 990 in a quarter mile, that's pretty quick.
Right.
Now that's considered bracket racing when you have to hit it.
Racing, right.
Okay, so you have to hit the time at a certain time, right?
Yes.
I mean, okay.
Yeah, you have to hit the 990 right on there.
Right.
And
Okay.
If you break out, then you're out.
Okay.
You go faster than 990.
I see.
But,
Okay.
It's a fast car.
That's pretty cool. It looks to be a fast car too, and this is really neat. I mean, this is the fuel delivery system here, right there?
Yes.
And that's carbureted or fuel injected? Carbureted.
Yes, 1050.
Wow. Okay.
I like to put fuel injection on it one day.
There you go. And this must be the fuel intake,
Yes.
delivery, and then return over there. Is that what that is? Okay. All right. Gotcha. All right. Man, look at those headers, man. I mean, that's some serious beefy header stuff. Big fat alternator in here. Now, is this your...
So electric water pump.
Okay.
Electric fan.
Okay. That's what that is right there. Is it the pump?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And you have the electric fan right here. Okay.
It's a big 4-core radiator.
That's awesome. You need that out here in Arizona.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Is your overflow here?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Wow, look at the size of the oil filter. That's a nice big fat oil filter too, man. Wow. So, anything done with the suspension at all that you're aware of?
Yes, it's a back half car. The back half's a full chassis car.
Okay.
The front is original stock, but the back half is the chassis car.
What does that mean?
It means it's a full chassis in the back.
Okay.
Tubbed out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
430, I got 430 rear gears in the back, 3800 stall transmission, full cage inside, and it's got a 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around.
All right.
It's set up and made to go fast.
To go
and stop
fast. That's cool.
You know,
Right,
so
yeah.
you go fast, you
have
gotta
to stop fast. Exactly right. Yeah.
No
and stop
drums.
safely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. 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 All right. Cool. Well, the episode is what's in your garage.
Right.
But in order for us to do this car justice, give me some more space to walk around it, we have to pull it out.
Absolutely.
So does that mean we have to give it a cold start?
Yeah, that's what we got to do.
Oh, I love when a plan comes together. Stick around for more right here on Muscle Cars with Eric. All right, cold start coming here, man. So this is what will be considered tubbed, right?
Yes.
Now, how big is that tubbing? You said what size tires are on this again?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. No, that's fine. Yeah.
They're big slicks.
But they look to be pretty big. We'll get a picture of that here, like right now. Wow, dude. That's some serious footprint on the pavement.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Now, this is not your typical gas tank, is it? It's not a fuel cell.
It's an 8-gallon fuel cell.
Okay. What's that? Battery cutoff, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. Is it your battery right there?
That's battery right there.
Okay. That's cool. Oh, that's the pump right there. Okay, gotcha. All right. So this car came from Ohio, you said.
Yes.
And this is quite the cool looking hood here. Is this metal or fiberglass?
It's fiberglass.
Fiberglass. All right. Makes it a little bit lighter. Look at the size of that thing. My word. Of course, you have to have an awful lot of air in order for the engine to function properly. It's that age-old fire triangle, right? Air, fuel, and spark, right? Hey, man. What color is this?
It's a T5 metallic bronze.
Okay. It's really cool. Look, I love the color. It kind of sets it off. Look at these wheels here. And these are the skinny tires up front.
Yes.
Fat tires in the back.
Yes, it
is.
is.
Drag car. And I like the windshield wiper delete here. That's pretty cool. Oh, and Froggy. Hey, check out looking Froggy, man. Where did you get the nickname, or where did the name Frog come from?
My last
Leap,
name is Leap.
because like a frog leaps?
Right.
Gotcha.
Last name is Leap, and so
and there it is.
Everyone said Leapfrog. My nickname in high school was Leapfrog, so.
No shit. Well, that's pretty cool, man. And it looks like you take advantage of it. Let's take a look here. Can I open it?
Yes, sir.
Serious roll cage in here, man. Wow. Definitely built for speed and for safety. Can I climb in it?
Yes, sir.
What are all these switches here? I'm looking at all these switches.
Fuel pump, ignition, the lights, all that. All that was all rewired.
Okay. That's cool. And nice gauges here, man. Pro Comp ultralight gauges. Cool.
Your tack is up here on the left.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Do you have a specific shift point you use on this?
It's about 4,000.
4,000? Is it your shift light?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of transmission is this?
It's a 727
Okay.
with a 3800 stall.
Now what's that right there?
Proportioning valve, so you can adjust the brakes.
Okay.
Front grabs more in the front, more in the back.
Okay. Man, I just can't get over the size of these tires, dude. Look at this, man. I mean, that's some serious meat. All right. You ready to take it for a ride?
You bet.
You ready?
Let's
rock
go.
and roll, man. We're gonna have some fun here today. This thing feels so freaking powerful. It's not even funny. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.